Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or asking questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to increase text size in X, Twitter. To do this, you go into the settings of your iPhone, and you open Control Center. Find this item and click on the function from the list, Text Size. Press the plus sign. Now we can open our app. You open the function panel, and here we can change the text size only for the opened application, or for all applications. We select the first option, and increase or decrease the text. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also see other useful videos on the channel. That was the Phone Support Channel. Bye-bye. See you later.